Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meghna and if you're new to my channel, make sure you are subscribed and part of my notification squad because I upload 2 videos every week, so make sure you stay subscribed and also part of the notification gang. Today's video is Amazon Finds Part 3, Amazon Finds Part 1 and Part 2, which I will link it up here so you guys can watch it in case you missed it. I've also done like an eBay finds series, so if you guys are interested in that as well, I will link it up here and also in the description bar if you guys wanna, I don't know, binge watch it or something. So today I will be sharing with you guys 2 products and both of them are skincare products. If you guys want to know what these products are, then please continue watching. The first product is Maybelline New York Micellar Water. Now, when I bought this, which was like probably a couple of months or even before that, it was actually not available anywhere, at least in India, like online it wasn't available. It was only available on Amazon and that's when I bought it. Just bear that in mind, that's why I'm even including this in the Amazon Finds part. It is the original one, so don't worry. So coming to the specs of it, I'm talking like a techie. I don't know why I said specs. Coming to the facts of it, so this gives you 95 ml of product. MRP is for 400, but you get this on sale all the time. I would suggest you guys buy it on sale. Let's read the claims. It removes makeup, cleanses, hydrates and soothes. It removes trap, dirt and dust, refine pores, freshens like a toner, no need to rinse, suitable for sensitive skin. Now how you use it is basically you take a cotton pad. Again, this cotton pad, I actually spoke about this in my Amazon Finds Part 2. So what you do is basically just apply a bit of micellar water on the cotton pad and they've asked you not to rub your face with it and just gently wipe it. Like that, just wipe it gently on your face and your makeup goes away. Oh, also I'm not wearing any foundation, I'm just wearing like a moisturizer and sunscreen. Now coming to the actual review, I really like this product. It does remove your makeup quite well. Only problem that I faced was that it doesn't remove waterproof mascara, which is I think the case with most of the makeup removers. That's one con, but I think that's kind of there for most of the makeup removers. And this is a water-based cleanser, so you can't expect like waterproof mascara to go with this, but it does remove your basic makeup really well. It removes my eyeshadow, lipstick, everything really nicely. The best part about this is that you don't need water and I love that. Sometimes I use wipes if I'm too lazy to clean my makeup. This one I must say is much better than a wipe. I don't feel like washing my face after this. It feels really clean, like squeaky clean and really nice. Freshens up my face already halfway through the bottle and that's kind of sad. You do need a bit of product to remove the makeup. So to summarize all of that, pros of this product are naturally you don't need water, quite affordable for a micellar water, and it does soothen and freshen up my skin, removes makeup and cleans all that dirt off your face very effectively, and it's also really travel friendly. It is completely fragrance free. It actually feels like you're just putting water on your face. It is alcohol free, like the best thing for your skin. You don't want alcohol on your skin. It is completely non-greasy. Now coming to the cons of it, the amount you need per use. Doesn't remove waterproof makeup. It does remove matte lipstick but just doesn't remove waterproof mascara. So for me, this product is definitely a thumbs up. Does what it claims. Maybe if you get it on sale, you can buy this because otherwise I just feel like it will get over quite quickly, and for 400 rupees, a product that probably lasts you just a month is a bit too much. I think it's a good alternative to makeup wipes, so you can alternate between makeup wipes and micellar water on the days where you just can't get up on your feet and remove your makeup. You can always use this micellar water, which I feel is better than a makeup wipe. Now the second product that I want to show you guys is the Rich Feel Vitamin E Skin Oil. Now, I'm sure you guys don't know this, but I've been into Korean skincare a lot, like a proper 10-step Korean skincare routine. One thing that I did not have in my Korean skincare list of products was a good essential oil for your skin. So I was searching for really good natural essential oils on Amazon and I found this one. Earlier I used to use the capsules, vitamin E capsules that you can get in any chemist shop. But I just found that a bit of a hassle, so I just felt this was more cost effective in the long run. Now this gives you 100 ml of product. The MRP is 200 rupees. I got it for 190 rupees and right now when I check on Amazon it is 178 rupees. So I will link down both the products down in the description bar, so you make sure you do check it out. So it says that it is a skin oil which has special formulation for stretch marks. It lightens the stretch marks and makes the skin smooth and supple. It's a great skin nourisher enriched with the goodness of vitamin E and wheat germ. Now, I didn't buy it particularly for stretch marks. I can't really comment on whether it works for stretch marks because I haven't tried it. but for my skin, that I can talk about. So how you use this is basically you just take a drop of product on your ring finger, dab it in circular motion and lightly dab it on your skin. Pat it all over your face so that to make sure that all the goodness of the oil is locked in your skin. So it might feel sticky at first, but after a couple of minutes it will get absorbed properly into your skin, and then you shouldn't be feeling the stickiness of the product at all. Coming to the review of it, I remember when I first used it, I hated it. I can't even tell you, I was so disappointed because this product had really good reviews on Amazon. So I was ready to give a review to you guys saying that, you know what, this product is not good, I don't like it, etc, etc. I did use it a couple of times and I still didn't like it, and later I realized that I was using too much. So when I first used it, I actually used like a little less than a coin-sized blob on my hand, and I used to put it on my face, and my face would just become so sticky and greasy. Like when I woke up in the morning, it was just not working out for me. And the smell, oh good lord, it has such a strong fragrance, it just really irritated me. Then I realized maybe, you know, let's try using just a bit of product, so a drop, maybe even lesser than a drop. And when I first put it on my finger, I was just like, this is definitely not going to cover my face, I will probably need more. But I thought, you know what, let's just try it. You honestly feel like you can't cover your face with it, but oh my god, this thing is so thick that that small baby drop can just cover your entire face. And that's when you realize that that was enough, like that was more than enough. That's all you need for your skin, trust me guys. Oh my god, after doing the drop trick, as in just using a drop on my face, my skin was glowing. Skin felt really good, it really closed and tightened my pores. My skin felt so much firmer. I really like it. But bear in mind, the fragrance is really strong. So if you're someone who doesn't like any fragrance in their product, this is just not for you. Summarizing the pros and the cons: tones your skin, moisturizes your skin, it makes your skin so soft and supple, gives a natural glow to your face, really affordable for the kind of quantity provided and also for the amount needed. So you need very less product per use. The ingredients are amazing: wheat germ oil, almond oil, walnut oil, carrot seed oil and castor oil. Also, it is so affordable. Now coming to the cons, definitely the fragrance first. For me, I actually started liking the fragrance after some time. I don't know, this is weird. It will get greasy if you use more than you need. Also, when you apply it, it might seem a bit sticky at first, but then it does absorb into your skin and it becomes really soft and smooth. My final thing would be, for me, I'm glad because it really works well on my skin. I love this as an essential oil, part of my Korean skincare routine. Yeah, as of now, this is gonna last me a long time. Yeah, if you're okay with the really strong fragrance and the initial stickiness of it, then you guys are good to go. So those were the two skincare products that I found on Amazon, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below if you guys want me to try out any product from Amazon or Flipkart or eBay. I will see you guys very soon. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy and stay positive.
You are the icing on my cake. You are the smile I can't replace. You are